Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Foodie Yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a tulip. I used 3mm crochet hook. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called the magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Just tie the yarn and close our magic ring with a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Just chain 1, make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. We should make in each stitch 2 single crochet like this. 1 single crochet and 2. We should end each row with a slip stitch like this. Chain 1, make a single crochet in same stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch, increase. 1 single crochet, increase. Follow this pattern for this row. Chain 1 single crochet in same stitch. Next stitch 1 single crochet. Next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch or increase. Follow this pattern for this row. 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Row 5 to row 10, we should chain 1 and make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. Follow this pattern for these rows. After row 10, just chain 1 and tie the yarn, cut off with your scissor and just tie it. Pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is called a slip knot. And I chain 60, but you can chain as much as you want. And just chain 1 and tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and tie it. Take your needle and connect pieces together like this. Okay, now fill your tulip and just grab your needle and connect both sides together like this. After this, I show you how to crochet our leaves. Don't forget to like this video. Again, make a slip knot like this, like before. And chain 12. And skip 1 chain and start from next chain and make a single crochet. Next stitch, a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Next stitch, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2. Next stitch, a half double crochet, and next stitch 1 single crochet, and next stitch slip stitch, and again the same pattern. And in the end we should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Again 1 single crochet here, next stitch a half double crochet, and next stitch 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Follow the same pattern. In the end, 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and just slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1 and cut the yarn. Insert your hook into the middle of our leaves and connect our pieces like this. If you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.